Good morning, guys. It is phone day, so we are on our way right now to the mall to pick up the new Samsung S20 Ultra. It is 7:26 in the morning.
Feels like 4.
Yeah, I don't know why. We're so tired. On our way to the mall. We're almost there, and then the mall opens at 8 a.m. and we have an appointment at 8 a.m. to pick up my phone because it's pre-ordered. I'll show you guys all of that process and the new phone in 3, 2, 1.
And now we're here.
Now we're here. We're going to the store, guys. We made it to the mall, and the mall's not open for like 2 hours, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we'll be back in a moment.
See ya.
We made it to the Samsung store.
They better have cookies. Because we made it here first.
So we're gonna go get Starbucks first, though, because we need coffee and food. So Starbucks is right here. Samsung store is right there.
Just here playing Zelda.
Cheers.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, so we're doing the trade-in, and this is the phone I'm giving back. We traded it in for 175.
375.
175 plus $200 on top, so 375.
Say goodbye to your form.
Yes, guys, I'm trading it in. This is the last time I'm gonna see it. Okay, on to the next one.
A few moments later.
You can buy popcorn, guys. After later.
You want one?
Take this for us.
Thank you.
No problem.
Guys, we're done out of the Samsung store, and look, I put this case on it. It's so pretty.
And
It took an hour. Yeah, so all the whole process and everything, buying the phone, it took an hour. We did the trade-in. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, it did the screensaver too.
Yeah.
Wow, it absolutely changed everything. So it downloaded all my apps. It did my contacts, my photos, screen. We're happy.
The people there were so helpful.
Yeah, they were really nice. Especially the girl that checked us out. Shout out to you. To save money, get an SPC card. If you didn't know, if you're a student, you can use your SPC card. And I literally saved like $200, $300 just by buying a $10 SPC card. So buy the SPC card, use it on your phone, do a trade-in, and boom. You have until the end of the month where you get extra $200 off your trade-in. So if nobody tells you that when you go check out, buy an SPC card. Ask to buy one and use it.
Two hours later.
Okay guys, so I picked up the S20 Ultra, the brand new one. It just came out today. I have it in black. So originally the price should be $1,849.99. Okay, so I forgot to mention that plus tax, this phone was supposed to come out to $2,090.49. So pre-tax, it was $1,849.99, and $240.50 were because of the tax. I picked it up after the discounts, the trade-in and everything, taxes in, for $1,461.44. So I got a really good deal. They're having really good deals if you go to the Samsung store. So I would highly recommend it. So far, honestly, like, the pictures are insane. The phone is so fast. Like, it connected to my car right away. As soon as I turned on my car, it connected and it was ready to play my music, make phone calls. Like, it was set. Using it, it is super quick. As I showed you guys, responsiveness to your finger and everything, and what you want to do is so fast. It's crazy. So again, I'm going from an S9 Plus to the S20 Ultra. For the price, it was insane. Ways you can save money buying a brand new phone from the Samsung store is, number one, if you have an SPC card or you know somebody that has an SPC card, use it. If not, ask them to purchase one while you are checking out. That is what I did. The girl offered it to me, and at first I was like, no, I don't have an SPC card. And then she was like, they are $10 and you will save on your phone. So I was like, let's do it. If you have an old phone, I had an S9 Plus that I was not going to use. I wasn't going to give it to anybody. Everybody that I know has pretty good phones right now, so I didn't need to gift it to them. So I traded it in. Now, for the S9 Plus, they gave me $174.80. And on top of that, so that obviously isn't a good price. If it was just like that, I could put it on Kijiji. But until the end of the month, if you go into the Samsung store, they add an extra $200 on top of what your phone is valued at. So since mine was valued at $174.80, they actually gave me $374.80 to trade in my phone. So obviously I took that opportunity. I would have probably sold it around $400 anyway. So took that up with the SPC card, everything, taxes included and everything. I walked away with a brand new S20 Ultra for $1,461.44. So that was a total of $629.05 savings. So I am super happy with that. Basically, it is now noon, as you guys can see. It is noon. I got the phone at 8 in the morning. I walked out of the Samsung store with it at 9. So I have had it for a couple hours. I've been testing it. I tested it with connectivity to my car, how it responds, like how quick everything responds. Camera-wise, amazing, phenomenal. You guys are not going to believe this. So it's actually snowing now here in Toronto. I went outside and I took some amazing pictures of a building. I'll show you on the screen. So first you'll see the regular picture just as is, and then I zoomed into 30 times, which you will see it on the screen, and then I went to 100 times, and I am telling you, that was insane. Where I was standing, I could barely even see what the 100 times zoom could see. It was insane, phenomenal. Quality wise, it's not the best, but obviously it's 100 times zoom. That was insane. You can't even see it with your eye properly, and this phone captured it. I was shook. I think I'm going to do an update video, or I could even do a video showing you the type of pictures that I took with my S20 Ultra after I played around with it, because I've only had it for a couple hours, so I'm not that good with it just yet. I figured out things, how to make the smoothness up or down. Like, you can even edit your jawline, your eyes, which is crazy to me that you can do that on a phone. The process overall was absolutely phenomenal. Shout out to the Samsung store in Yorkdale. They were super helpful. Everything was just in and out, quick, prompt. Everybody was happy. It was just a super easy transition from my S9 Plus to the S9 Ultra. Another thing, when you purchase the phone, you actually get the Samsung Galaxy Buds for free. So that's free $200 plus all the other discounts on top of that. If you sell this online, or if you want to keep it, sell it, you make more money, you save more money. Keep them, you got them for free, 200 bucks. And for the box, this is what it looks like. And you just open it. I haven't even opened this, honestly, so you open it. Wow, the charger is a little different. It is a fast charger though. I really like the matte and glossy charger. It's not the white one anymore. Really like this. This is the cable to charge your phone. And then the headphones. These are the AKG headphones for the Samsung. They are in black. And then it comes with also different little sizes of earpieces. The charger for your phone. It's a good length. I think it's just the standard. Like, any videos that you guys want to see involving this phone, let me know. So if you want anything more detailed, then leave it down in the comments and I can definitely do that for you guys. Alright guys, that is everything for this Samsung unboxing. If you have any questions, comments, concerns that I haven't answered, or you think I have the answer to, go ahead, leave it down in the comments. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Also, if you are not already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!